In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect an Xbox controller to your PC using Steam's built-in support, step by step. We'll cover the easiest wired method, the wireless Bluetooth method, and then I'll show you how to make sure Steam input is set up properly so your controller works the way you want in games. This is a super helpful setup if you want smoother gameplay, better control in PC games, and a much more comfortable way to play. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy PC gaming tutorials. Let's get right into it. First, let's start with the simplest option, which is the wired connection. This is the method I recommend if you want the fastest and most reliable setup. If you have an Xbox Series X or Series S controller, use a USB-C cable. If you have an Xbox One controller, use a micro USB cable. Plug one end into your controller and the other end into a USB port on your PC. As soon as you connect it, Windows should automatically detect the controller and install the drivers for you. You usually do not need to download anything extra. Once it's connected correctly, the Xbox button on the controller should light up, which tells you the connection is active and ready to go. If you want a wireless setup instead, you can use Bluetooth as long as your controller and PC both support it. To do that, first turn on the controller by pressing and holding the Xbox button. Then, press and hold the pair button on top of the controller for about 3 seconds until the Xbox button starts flashing quickly. That flashing light means the controller is ready to pair. Now go to your PC and open Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. After that, click Add Device, choose Everything Else, and wait for your controller to appear in the list. When you see it, select it, and Windows will finish pairing it with your PC. Once it connects, the flashing will stop and your controller should be ready to use wirelessly. Now that your controller is connected, the next step is to make sure Steam input is enabled. This is important because Steam has built-in controller support that helps your Xbox controller work properly in Steam games. Open Steam and click Steam in the top left corner, then choose Settings. From there, go to the Controller tab. Look for the option that says Enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers and make sure it is turned on. This setting allows Steam to handle control input more smoothly and gives you better support in many games. If you want to go one step further, you can also click Calibration. This lets you test the buttons, check the sticks, and adjust joystick dead zones if needed. That can be useful if your controller feels slightly off or if you want more precise movement in certain games. At this point, your Xbox controller should be connected to your PC and ready to use in Steam games. If you plugged it in with a cable, you've got the quickest and most stable connection. If you used Bluetooth, you now have a wireless setup that is great for couch gaming or a cleaner desk. And if Steam input is enabled, you'll get better compatibility and smoother control in supported games. If you run into any issues, the first thing to check is whether your cable is working properly, whether Bluetooth is enabled on your PC, and whether Steam input is turned on in the controller settings. Most connection problems can be fixed with one of those 3 checks, so if your controller isn't responding right away, don't worry. Just go back through the steps and make sure everything is selected correctly. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple gaming guides just like this one. It really helps the channel and it lets me know to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and enjoy gaming with your Xbox controller on PC.